If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hello folks, and welcome to Larry's Mail Call. I want to share what came in this box, which I've already opened just now. A friend of mine took me to Starbucks a few weeks ago, around 11-ish a.m., and I really had a great time just going. I just love being at Starbucks and hanging out, and even by myself, because I'm with my pens and I'm doing my thing, you know. But I met a gentleman there, and I love meeting people, making new friends, developing a bond of trust and friendship. That's real important to me. And it just went real well. Well, today, not today, I think, was it today it came in the mail? I think it was.
Yes.
Yeah. Today it came in the mail. And from Casey Bernard. Casey, thank you so much. He sent me the Zodiac. I guess I can't see that. Is that Pisces? I can hardly see it.
Yes, Pisces.
Yeah, my eyes aren't all that great, but a beautiful color of ink. I mean, in fact, I love blue, greens and things like that. Let me just show you. That's the color of it right there. And what I like to do is do it again.
Yeah, I was just going to point out, if you can tell, and it looks okay on camera, look at the difference in the shading from the inner to the outer edge of the ink. I like how it turns a little dark and almost gives it a little outline.
And I'm just going to do a little here. This is really a beautiful, beautiful color blue. I am totally impressed with this ink. Love the color. My favorite color. So here's the look as I apply this to the Tomo River paper. My favorite paper. But I do like other papers. But just look at this color. When I look at inks, I look at inks. I love inks that I've said before that pop. And this ink pops. The ones that just are kind of real light and pale, they don't do a lot for me. But that's me. But again, thank you, Casey. And it's a bung box out of Japan. And it's part of the Zodiac series. That was released last year. And they make 250 bottles of each ink, and 100 of each pens were made. So if you're a blue lover, you gotta have it. Stop, don't go away. You gotta have it. Beautiful. And there's something else in the note. Because one of his, reminds me of my favorite, Happy Blue or Blondie Blue by no other than Robert Oyster. Robert Oyster, incredible gentleman, incredible. I keep saying a never-ending river of ink because Mr. Oyster, in my opinion, is brilliant. I love the guy. He's just a very special guy, really, just special. But then, in this package, I got a PS. And I want to show you what Casey's little girl made me. Very special that I had to share it. Is that my daughter Olivia wanted to draw something for you. Thank you, Olivia. Very, very sweet of you, thoughtful, and I will always cherish this. So included is also that drawing. she used my sailor, all right, with diamine, writer's blood ink. So she said it's a cancel, yay, with a princess on at the top. So la la, maybe that's me. What do you think? And okay, here we go. And a queen and the flowers and birds. Okay, I love castles. I love flowers. I love birds. I love kings and queens and all that stuff from back in the day. And there's a tree on the left with a bird. Hello, birdie, birdie, birdie. On its nest. And eggs dropped out to the ground, and the king found it. Wow. Well, thank you so, so very much, Olivia. I'm trying to remember how old you are. Are you 4 years old? But this really touched the heart. See, these are really special for me when somebody takes the time to do this. So how much are these worth? To me, they're priceless. And that's why I wanted to share with each and every one of you out there. This is pure love. So, Casey, again, thank you so much, my friend. And I hope to see you again soon. So, that's going to be it for this mail call. God bless you. Take care. And a lot of peace and love. Bye-bye.